So today, me and the homies, we're gonna go pick up a car. But first, Harbor Freight, pick up some tow straps. Then we pick up the car. Car is on the trailer. Then we stop for some snacks and make sure the car's secure. Then the car's at the shop. Unload the car. Gotta unload that thing, man. Gotta unload the car, man. You know what I'm saying? As we unload them, you know what I'm saying? Putting everything back up, put up all the straps, all that. You feel me? You know? I think the battery died. Battery had died. Got everything right. Now it started up. Bang. Back the car off the trailer. Bang, we in the game. Then we decided to take it for a ride. Took it for a ride. Seen what was wrong with the car. So see what we got to fix. So yeah, the transmission was kind of low-key tripping. So then after that, we come back to the shop. We start taking everything down.
All right, cool. So
Gotta
now we're
take
about to
down
take
the
this
exhaust. Gotta take down all that.
Zach. Damn y'all. Damn y'all. Just go back there, y'all.
Good way, good day, good way.
I cut it.
Let's go on top of no, you don't want to go on top of that LS stuff.
Let's go over there. Over there by the frame. Woo! My car.
Y'all is cracking. So far. See the transmission. Drive shaft. We got the heat shield off, so now just gonna disconnect the drive shaft, the 318 millimeter bolts. Disconnect that, take these two off, and I'm not gonna mess with this side. I'm just gonna let it hang and come down. Yeah, man, back at it, man. Late night festivities. You know what I'm saying? Kudu decided to show up through here now. You know what I'm saying? I believe we're in super night mode. I like the super night mode because everybody clear. Like, look at this. Like, even the darkest of the homies. Like, look.
Wait, what?
Look how darkest of the homies is clear in super night mode.
Nah.
You see that?
You the same race. Get out of here with that.
Look, the darkest of the homies.
You were just blessed to be a little lighter. Stop knocking up.
Hi, guys. You know what I'm saying? It's a squad, though, man. That's how we get down.
Yep, 2 dead Milwaukee Chargers. Oh, yeah, my bad. There
Kuda built performance. You know what I'm saying? That's the boy, man. The man, the myth, the legend right there. You know what I'm saying? Touche. He's in the making. You know what I'm saying? He coming. You know what I'm saying? My boy coming up. You know what I'm saying? About to be drifting. We about to learn together. So either we gonna see who crashes into the tire wall first. Either me or Touche.
Me.
We don't know. We gonna see. Because I ain't drifted before. He ain't drifted before. But I know how to drive stick shift. We still gotta teach him how to drive stick shift. So we should do a video teaching him how to drive stick shift. I think that'd be funny. Because he can't get mad and throw a clutch. Go ahead, see how I do, man. Yeah, so those gotta come off. We got extensions?
Oh, they're all here.
Oh yeah.
I didn't take anything home.
Trying to make an extension sandwich, yo. I got one of those shooters. I just got one. Cause actually I was doing it and I put it up. So I said, this is cool.
I'm trying to make an extension. I'm trying to get those bolts.
We gotta make an extension sandwich. This is yours.
big ass extension.
I had a
Like one long ass one. I have one somewhere. And then just hit a wobble for it. Extensions are E12.
Here, look. What you looking for?
The 12 in this.
You got the
Right here. I got an E12 right here, ready to go.
This one's yours, right? Or his? Cool.
Yeah, that's my E10. This is the E12 and the next one, then the C14.
Do I need an extension or no?
You can use a shorty, but nothing longer than that because you don't have the clearance for it.
these still on the bottom ones. You can see these. I'll give you a cell phone like. I'm trying to waste it.
Where do you see the bottom of that?
So you got all these? Okay, you got all those. You got those.
I gotta go up
So
there.
you get this one? Yeah. But for all the ones that's the rest that's on the transmission, we gotta use a good light. Yeah. We might have to step on the tire like we did last time.
Either they didn't tighten these or y'all already loosened it.
Nah, they didn't tighten them right. Because he probably told you just to put the car back together, he wouldn't even get it fixed or anything. So they probably just got mad and just put the shit back together.
This dude was about to leave his trans on the highway.
Yep.
And we were fucking rolling this motherfucker.
We going live.
That bolt must have fell up there. Come do the light for me real quick.
I got you, brother, man. All right, so I don't remember what was the last thing we recorded, but I had went live on my phone. So also check out my lives. You know what I'm saying? Support your boy. Yeah. Got that down. All that down. Transmissions down. Torque converters down. We're gonna change the seal and all that in there tomorrow, and then maybe replace it with one of the torque converters. And go from there, man, and see what's up, man. You feel me? So stay tuned. I'ma holla at y'all. And peace. Alright, y'all. So as y'all been following all day, we finally got the new transmission up. I don't remember the last place I was, but we also got the exhaust up. The exhaust is all also buttoned up, all the bolts, everything tightened down, heat shield up. Everything, man. We got all the gears back in place. Everything's tight. Everything's tight. Got the dust cover. So now the car can go up and come down. And we're going to see what's up. Yep. So now we got the car up in the air. You feel me? Park. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. Neutral. Reverse. Park. So, yeah, man. Transmission in later, I guess we'll see if it works, but for now we're gonna let everything warm up. Once everything finishes warming up, then we're gonna put some more fluid in there and see if it's topped off. So let's get it.
You want me to stop by later?
Yeah. Car is finally done, y'all. So new transmission's in, took it out for a drive, washed it, did everything. So we good now. So now just gotta wait for the customer to come pick it up. And that'll be it. This car's done, man. Another car on the road, another car done, another day done, another day, another dollar. Which is one of my songs I need to go check out, so go ahead and do that. But we done, y'all.